Okay, hey, this is Andrew. As a reminder for technicians who do R&Is on hatch glasses, occasionally you'll have hatch glass that'll have your backup lights, tail lights, whatever. You really need to make sure these parts go in first before the glass. We had to revisit this one, R&I it, after we'd replaced it. It was smashed in a hailstorm. We put a new glass in it. Only to have to be called back because they can't get the tail lights in. They won't fit in there. The glass has to be out. So we want to watch out for that. Well, damn. Can't even get it in with the hatch closed. If you have parts that fit over glass like this, the best thing to do is to wait till they've installed those lights. Here they are. Install those and then install the glass, and you won't have to revisit it. Okay, so this is a really, really good example why we want to make sure to do this perfectly the first time. And that's because just pulling this part, because of the taillight issues, has resulted in a minor scratch here that's not going to cover. So this has to go back to paint, which delays it even further, and it's just a big bummer. But unfortunately, the work that we do in the collision centers has to be damn near perfect, and little things like that can delay a delivery. This one has already been pretty well delayed just for the extent of the damage. So this was a really great one to be able to record and create a video for our team and learn from the things that we do.